Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce billing issues with Square easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the dashboard on the left hand side. Click on Transactions to view your recent billing activities. Review each transaction for any discrepancies or errors. If you find an issue, select the transaction in question. Click on Refund if you need to correct a mistake. Follow the prompts to issue a refund, if necessary. To prevent future billing issues, set clear item descriptions in your inventory. Verify that your payment methods are correctly configured. Go to Settings and select Payments to review your payment options. Ensure that your tax settings are correctly applied to purchases. Consider enabling digital receipts to streamline record keeping. Communicate clear return and refund policies to your customers. Train your staff on how to use the Square system effectively. Regularly review your billing and transaction reports for patterns. Keep your software up to date to avoid technical issues. Utilize Square's customer support if you encounter persistent problems. Make routine checks on your payment processor to ensure it's functioning smoothly. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce billing issues with. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.